I'm going to remove my press-on nails today, and I wanted to do a little sit down and just chit chat with you guys as I do. It's my self-care Sunday, and this is one of the things I was going to do. I did a video showing how I remove my press-on nails before, but I did it sped up and just kind of explained through it. I want to do this in real time so you guys can see really how long it takes me and how easy, at least how easy I think it is. So these nails have been on my fingers for a week and a half approximately. Usually I push them to 2 weeks. The glue isn't budging. They're on there pretty nice. They're not quite ready to come off. However, I'm so rough on these nails and they're a longer length, so they've broken and chipped off. One is completely broken off to the nail bed, and then the other, I have one more that's about to break off. I'll show you. I have a much easier time when the glue is actually ready to let me remove it, but even in these instances where I'm removing them a little earlier, it's not that big of a deal either. For whatever reason, when I'm rough with my nails and they end up breaking, they break straight across as if I've taken clippers to them and cut them. And it's really strange because it doesn't matter if it's a round shape or an almond shape, they always break straight across. This set that I'm wearing now is the Dashing Diva French Glaze Almond, but I've also broken Impress nails this same way, just straight across. So I don't think it's really a brand thing. It's not that these Dashing Diva nails are weak or anything. That's just what happens when I wear a long nail and then inadvertently I am rough on them. So, okay. All right, so hopefully you can see better now the breakage I had. They're not very grown out. They still look good otherwise, except for just these two nails that decided they're gonna start breaking on me. See that? So yeah, that's why I'm gonna go ahead and just peel them off. It's Sunday. I have the time to do it, so why not? Also, I did my makeup look today based on some trees I saw in my yard that were so pretty. They're like a cherry blossom, I believe they're called, and they were so pink and so pretty. So I layered like 3 blushes today. First, I put on this Milani blush. It's in Blushing Berry, and then I layered on top some Honest Beauty. I think this is the pink peony. Yeah, peony pink, sorry. And then just to top it off, I did the classic Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and this is the color, oh crap, where's the color name? Oh yeah, Pearlescent Pink. So these 3 blushes, I think, helped me achieve that look. I was just so inspired by the springy trees, I wanted to look pink as well. But anyways, as you guys can probably see, I don't have any tools with me just because I usually just peel everything off. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rip on this one. Oh, that one ripped kind of deep, but not that it hurt or anything, but yeah, check that out. Yeah, I didn't want to be walking around all next week with 2 ripped nails, so I figured I'll go ahead and just take them off while I have time today on this Sunday. So yeah, usually I just get to peeling them gently. I don't force it. I just kind of work on them for a while. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, I went to CVS the other day and there were, I kid you not, at least 25 boxes of Impress press-on toenails. I was happy to see that, but a little mad because when I was doing my press-on toenail video, I couldn't find press-on toenails in store for the life of me. If you guys watch that video, you'll know what I'm talking about, but I ended up having to go online and order from Dashing Diva and Impress nails. It was crazy, and now it's just a plethora of press-on toenails as far as the eye can see. I'll show you guys some videos. I took some videos to post for YouTube Shorts, but I'll show you here too. The selection is just crazy. There's as many colors as you could dream of. It's great, honestly. Also, I recently hit 1,000 subscribers, so I wanted to thank you guys for subscribing and for watching and for all your continued support over the years. I started my channel almost exactly 2 years ago now, and I finally hit that milestone, hit the 1,000 subscribers. I got monetized, which is amazing. I mostly have Glam Girl Gabby to thank because she mentioned my Kenzie video in one of her recent videos, and then all of you guys came and flocked and supported me and got me there, so I really appreciate it. I probably wouldn't be at 1,000 subscribers yet, so thank you guys so much for getting me there. It's been a very slow process for me the last 2 years, probably just because I was really bad at YouTube, especially when I first started out, and probably, you know, still am, but thank you guys so much. And having said that, like, what do you guys want to see? Like, what is a good suggestion? Give me your suggestions. You guys have that, you know, viewer inside info. Give me your secrets. What should I make videos about? What should I post? What will you guys watch? How long did that take you guys? 3 minutes? Look, they're all peeled off. And it's not like they were even falling off or super ready to come off. So I know they look pretty rough now, and you might be thinking like, does she have damage? Did that pull up her nails? But that is just the PowerFlex nail glue residue. So because I know that I have that PowerFlex nail glue on top of my nail, I know for a fact none of my actual nail got ripped off because it almost acts as a barrier as well. Oh yeah, just to give you guys some background info in case this is the first video of mine you're watching, I use press-on nails that do not require any additional nail glue in conjunction with the Kiss PowerFlex nail glue. Reason why, it just simply extends the wear for me. That's why. I know a lot of people in my comments have told me, oh, I can just use the Impress nails or the Dashing Diva nails with no glue. I just press them on and I get the 2 weeks of wear, which is so amazing to me. Like, good for you guys. If you don't have to use any additional glue, that's awesome. Good for you. But I cannot do that. I don't know if I'm just too rough or it's just like my body chemistry or my nail bed's oily. For whatever reason, I get the best success with the 2 in combo, and it really doesn't matter, it seems, which press-on nails I use, as long as I use a press-on nail that already has the adhesive attached, plus the Kiss PowerFlex nail glue, I am good to go. What I haven't had good luck with is nails that don't have glue on them, like it just comes with that nail, and then you're supposed to put glue on, then I struggle. I tried the Believe Beauty nails, and they fell off within the first day and then they kept falling off after that. So I want to try like Static Nails or Glamnetic or something just to see if a better quality nail like that doesn't have adhesive with it would do better. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. But so far, it's had to be press-on nails with nail glue for me. Also, today on my lips, I thought it was a really cool combo, so I want to share as well. I lined my lips with this KAB lip pencil in the color Charming, and then I just used some Burt's Bees tinted lip balm in the color Rose, and it's almost the perfect match, and I really liked how that turned out, so I wanted to share with you guys. KAB, I used to find at Walmart. I don't know if they had like a limited contract or a limited availability with Walmart, but now they're gone. I can't find them at Walmart at all, so I haven't gotten any more KAB products because of that, but man, while they were at Walmart, I stocked up. So now usually at this point in the process, I take a nail file and just remove the excess residue because I'm not going to apply any more nails for a couple days. I just want my nails to be able to breathe, so I'll just take a little nail file and remove that excess PowerFlex nail glue and then just let my nails breathe for a couple days. Sometimes I'll apply the same day if I'm like, man, I don't have time for all that and I need to look cute, or if I have something coming up, but usually I do like to give my nails a little breather, a little break. Another thing I was kind of throwing around that I wanted to do a video for you guys, but I'm not quite sure, how it would do if you guys have any interest. Since I rave about press-on nails so much and I rave about, the PowerFlex nail glue, I wanted to go over some of the dangers and the toxicity associated with those products. Just because I do recommend them so much, I want you guys to be well informed before making a decision or following my suggestion. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in or if you would watch something like that. Yeah, so I filed them all down and now they're just free of glue and they look a little filed, but that's what they look like after I'm done filing them. But yeah, to my other point, like some of the dangers of using press-on nails, I don't know if you guys can see this or if I should even really be showing you this, but look how much gross stuff gets trapped under the nail that I don't even see when I'm wearing them. Like I'll clean under my nails and make sure they're sanitized and washed and everything. But once you pull them off, like no matter how hard you try, they get gross under there. And we trap all that dirt and debris under our nails for 2 weeks or more, so just another thing to think about, but you can kind of really see the grossness once you take them off, or maybe it's just me, I don't know, let me know in the comments. So then just to further pamper my nails today and just help them recover, I'm going to put on some lotion. I have this Andalou Kukui butter lotion that I always rave about. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, put it on my cuticles, my hands, and then up towards my elbows. And also what I've really been loving on top of the Andalou lotion on these kind of removal days is this Jason's Vitamin E lotion. It's so good. I'll just take a little bit of that and apply it all over my nails and cuticles. And then whatever's left over, I just kind of work up the hand. And then last but not least, I'm going to put on some organic jojoba oil just around and concentrate it around my cuticles, just for some further nourishment for those poor nails and cuticles after everything they've been through for this week and a half of nails and glue and all that. So yeah, there we go, you guys. Nails removed, hands looking nice, oily and nourished and moisturized. I'm guessing this is going to be the shortest video ever. I'll see in the edit, but what can I say? It literally is that fast. Because I know I get questions all the time like, how do you remove those things? They seem like they're cemented on, but it's that easy. And just because that PowerFlex nail glue does give that gummy barrier, I don't pull up any of my own nails and it just seems to work really well. But yeah, give me some advice in the comments. Let me know what you guys actually like to watch on YouTube, what would you want to see from me? And until next time, off I go.
Very clever. Off you go.